Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to create layout. So for example, I will create a rectangle as the object. And if you want to create layout, you can go to the layout. And the next you can delete the default layout view. So if you want to create like into A4 paper size, first, I will create a rectangle and we can set for size to A4 paper size. You can tap 297 and for height, I will set into 210. So the next, in it you can right click in the layout and you can go to Pack Setup Manager. Okay, I will use this default layout one, click modify. And the next you can set for the printer or plotter. The next for paper size, A4. And then for layout, you can use the window. So I will click from the corner points to corner point in below here. So you can click center the plot. And in it you can set for the orientation into the portrait. So this portrait, or you can set to the landscape. So because we use the 297 x 210, we use the landscape option. And for the scale, set 1 to 1. Click preview. So the layout will be set into the A4 paper size. Close. And after it, you can click OK to apply. Click close. And the next, you can use the rectangle tools or another commands to create for the table here. Okay, this is very easy. You can create and you can use the line commands or text command to add text into this layout. So that's it for the basic AutoCAD 2027, how to create a layout.